In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of Bookmap. Logging out is quick once you know where to look, and there are a couple of different ways to end your session, depending on what you're trying to do. I'll walk you through each option so you can pick the one that fits your workflow. First, let's cover the built-in logout option inside the platform. Open Bookmap and look to the top menu bar. On Windows, that menu sits at the top of the application window. On Mac OS, it appears in the System menu bar at the top of the screen. Click File, then choose Logout. Bookmap will immediately end your session and take you back to the login screen. This is the most straightforward way to sign out intentionally, and it's great when you're wrapping up for the day. Before logging out, make sure any workspaces or layouts you care about are saved, so everything looks the same the next time you sign in. Your custom setups typically remain available, but saving is always a good habit. If you want the fastest route, closing the application will also do the job. When you exit Bookmap, it automatically logs you out. On Windows, click the Close button in the top right corner of the window. On Mac OS, choose Quit from the application menu. The next time you open Bookmap, you'll be greeted by the login screen and will need to sign in again to start a new session. This method is ideal if you're in a hurry or stepping away and don't need to remain connected. Just remember that exiting ends your session entirely. There's also a scenario where you might not want a full logout. If you only need to stop market data or trading connectivity while keeping Bookmap itself open, use the connection controls. Go to Connections, then Configure. Select the broker or data service you're using and click Disconnect. This pauses your market data and trading link, but keeps you logged into the platform. It's helpful if you're analyzing charts offline, managing bandwidth, or preventing accidental orders without leaving the app. A few important notes before we wrap up. Bookmap sessions are tied to your license and account login, so you may be asked to log in again after a restart. Some connection setups are saved even after you log out, which makes it easier to pick up where you left off later. If you work across multiple machines, signing out on one device ensures your license is freed up for the next. That's it. Use File and Logout for a clean sign-out. Close the app for a quick exit, or disconnect only your broker or data if you want to stay in the platform.